I always start with strategic positioning.
Well, there has to be trust.
I'm not sure that myself or some other dealers would even be here today if it wasn't for Doosan.
Next year we'll be a dealer for Doosan for 25 years. So I think we're more like family than anything else.
I believe Doosan's really helped us grow our business. You know, not just a little bit. We've grown our business a lot over the last 8-10 years.
The flow from the Korean leadership through Tony Jones and his staff to the dealer is unmistakably clear. I mean, it's there. We know it. We see it and we feel it. Their support is impeccable.
Doosan knows what they're doing. I think they're a great partner.
We look for products that are best in class and fit the customer profile that we have. And then we talk to the suppliers, because if our strategic positioning doesn't match where they want to go, it won't work.
Well, we've grown because Doosan's added such a broad product mix.
But Doosan supports us in every way, from product to parts, service, support. Those things are all important. So I would say that they're a great partner in our business and have helped us grow our business substantially.
Just every time we go to a meeting or we have a visit from Doosan, we always find that they're there to support us and they want to partner with us.
Oh, without question, you got to have communication. If you're not communicating with your business partner, be it a customer, be it a vendor, if you don't communicate, then there is no relationship at all.
People like Dan Summers, the people that call after hours, answer the phone, walk us through problems that we're struggling with, they struggle with, and together we figure them out. I think that's what makes a great business relationship.
True partners in business to me means treating people the way you want to be treated.
That means you have to be really integrated.
So we have their best interest in mind, and we feel that they have our best interest in mind.
So you have to have the same vision, which is, we're a service company, and to provide excellent customer service, you have to have, great products. You have to have the support behind it. You have to have the training and education of your teammates, and then have really market-leading programs.
We have been able to continuously perform in Wisconsin as one of the top distributors, and we're hoping to do so in Illinois as well.
Doosan comes alongside us.
There has to be products that the customer wants, and a dealer and a manufacturer that stands behind each other, and neither one of the three can be successful without the other.
Desire to assist in individual situations, to gain market share or profitability.
Considering how important service is to us, Dan Summers' organization has really shined through, obviously with the direction of Tony Jones.
If we need something to make a customer, a local customer happy, generally speaking, they step up to the plate.
We've just had a wonderful relationship with Doosan in that matter.
And I can say that all manufacturers, they don't take the stance that Doosan has taken with us over the last 8-10 years.
Doosan is a partner. Doosan's a true partner. They've demonstrated the things that we like to demonstrate here at FMH, which is to treat people the way you want to be treated.
From Dennis Barker going out and visiting our customers with our salesmen, to Tony Jones stepping up and taking care of some bad engines that we got.
Doosan is our true partner.
Doosan is my true partner.
Doosan is our true partner.
Doosan is my true partner.
Doosan is our true partner.
The support that Doosan has provided over the years has really proven that Doosan is our true partner.
The partnership that we share with our dealers is the lifeblood of our future. We talk a lot about connectivity, about how it doesn't matter whether you're in marketing or sales or logistics, accounting, finance, all of our roles are connected. All of us share the same vision, And if we're all pulling in the same direction, shared goals, shared values, it's a powerful force. And that's what we're doing to build our future. The connection that we share with our dealers, arguably, is the most critical one. There are the people, the trained salespeople, the service people, the technicians, the parts people, the truck drivers, all driving the Doosan story, all achieving value proposition, all working to win customers, long-term customers. And that's the most important connection. When we get that connection between Doosan, our dealers, and our customers, it's a powerful, powerful force. That's what we're doing. That's what we're working toward. We're purposefully different in that way. We're working every day to make and share those commitments and to keep our commitments to our customers and our dealers. And in that way, Doosan can be your true partner.